Hi, I'm Charles Carter with Case H. Today we're going to be discussing daily maintenance of your air compressor on your 2000 series planter. The first item we want to look at is our air filters, both our intake air filter and our clean air filter. This is a daily maintenance item. If the filters are dirty, you can either clean them or if necessary they can be replaced. Once you've checked your air filters, be sure and check the oil level in your compressor. It needs to be even with or above the red dot in the sight glass. Lastly, at the end of the day, you need to ensure that you're draining your compressor tank to get all moisture and air out of it. Daily draining of all the condensation from your compressor tank will increase the longevity of the tank itself. Also, you can source from your local Case IH dealer the auto drain kit, which will allow you to drain this from the AFS Pro 700 in the cab of the tractor. If you have any additional questions on daily maintenance of your air compressor and tank, please contact your local Case IH dealer or consult your operator's manual.